Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking Software. In this video, we are going to talk about how to access the Apache Kafka, which is a publish subscribe messaging system, or also it's called distributed messaging system. So we installed almost most of the data engineering technologies on the our development environment has a virtual machine. So you can enroll my course for free and get the virtual machine and import it on in your machine using the Oracle VirtualBox VM manager, right? So once you import and you can start the VM, you will be able to access the Kafka. So I will tell you how to access the Kafka using different command line utilities. Okay, so Kafka basically having two important things. One is the Kafka broker, which is actually called also Kafka server or Bootstrap server, which is a kind of mediator which works between a publisher and a subscriber. Who is a publisher? The system or the application which publishes the data to the Kafka, to the Kafka topic. Topic is nothing but you can think of as a table in a RDBMS. So you publish a data to this topic, and the consumer is a one party or application who want to consume the data from this topic, right? So we need actually a Kafka broker, which is the art of this Apache Kafka, and then Zookeeper for managing the messages in the Kafka topics. So now we need to start or basically check whether the Zookeeper is running. So first you can actually log into your virtual machine using I'm just logging. Either you can go to the VM, so the virtual machine has a Ubuntu desktop version. You can work like Windows desktop there, or you can connect our VM using a putty utility by getting the IP address of the VM. I logged into the putty, so you can just type JPS command to check the Kafka related process are running. So you should be running the Kafka broker and Zookeeper should be running. Currently it is not running. You can just check the status command using the sudo systemctl status Zookeeper, and also you can run Kafka command to check. So both are not running. Let's start. So first you need to start the Zookeeper first. Okay, so let me start sudo systemctl and start Zookeeper, and make sure it is running, and then you can start the Kafka. So Kafka is also started. Let's refresh this. Now type as JPS. So JPS command will help you to show the Java processes running. So we are having a Kafka as well as the quorum here main means Zookeeper. So these two are running now. So we can actually interact with the Kafka broker. So in the future video, in this video we are focused on CLI based commands. In the future video I'm going to prepare, there's a utility called Kafka UI, which is a web based UI where you can interact with the Kafka cluster. So again Kafka is you can build a Kafka in a cluster formation, basically, because since it's a distributed messaging system, so you don't need to have Kafka installed on single machine. You can build a cluster of Kafka brokers and build a robust distributed system, messaging system. So let's just check if you go to the commands, like there is a commands, you can just start Zookeeper, stop Zookeeper service, and you can verify the ports which are running for Zookeeper for 2181, and for Kafka broker is 9092 default port numbers, RPC ports. Okay, so we can actually just list down the list of topics from the Kafka broker. So you can use the Kafka-topics.sh is the command, and then -list, and you have to provide the bootstrap server option with the bootstrap server URL. So basically it will be hostname colon 9092. So this will list the list of topics. I didn't create any topic, so we'll try to create this topic. It's taking some time, just wait for it. So this command, so basically the create command, I'll explain you meanwhile. So the Kafka hyphen topics, hyphen create hyphen topic, and you provide the topic name followed by the bootstrap server URL. So this is how we need to give. Okay, so there is a one issue. Okay, so I forgot to mention. So you see here. So there is like there's a property we need to change to expose the Kafka broker for the outside users. So we need to put your IP address. So in a Kafka properties file, right? So how do you put the change this? Actually, when I built this VM, the IP address was 192.168.56 or 103. So that's the reason it says this. Okay, but actually current IP address is ending with the .105. So we need to change this. So how do you change this? Basically, you can just echo Kafka home environment variable, and to know the location of the Kafka install, echo dollar Kafka. So this is the Kafka installation location. You can navigate to this location, and you will see there is a folder called config, cd config, and open this server.properties. There is a file called server.properties. You can use nano editor. Okay, then come to this place where it says advertised listeners equal to plain text colon slash 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 192.168.56.103. So instead of 103, put 105. Okay, what's happening? Let me just cancel this. Okay. Okay, so I changed this. Initially it was 192.168.56 or 103. I changed it as 105. Let's save it. Control O and X. Yes. Enter. Control O and do enter. And it is modified and Control X. Now let me stop and start the Bootstrap server for that. And Zookeeper. What we need to do is sudo systemctl stop. First we'll stop the Kafka. We'll stopping the Kafka here. So then we will start the Zookeeper. So these two are started. Sorry, stopped. I just go to home direct. No, I don't need to change anything here. So first again start the Zookeeper. I'm starting the Zookeeper and followed by Kafka. So both are started. Let's check the status of the Zookeeper first. This is running, and check the Kafka broker. So this is also running. Now let's run a list command, Kafka list command. Okay, now it should be running. So there is no topics here. So let's run this command to create a topic. So we are creating a topic name which is like order hyphen events. So it's like creating a table in database. So it says created topic, the topic name. Let's run the list command. It should list the order events topic. So this is how you need to use the Apache Kafka using a command line utilities in the virtual machine. So in the future videos we'll see example of a producer and consumer, like how to publish the data to the Kafka topic and how to consume it in the future videos. Thank you so much friends, and I hope this video is helpful for you. Please post your comments and suggestion on this comment section of this video. I'm happy to help you. Thank you so much.